this video, I'll be showing you how to connect to a Microsoft Excel file that contains two worksheets but do not have common columns in there. I need the data in these two worksheets to build my visualization in Tableau. If you want to use this hard button, it means you're ready to create a relationship between that data source with this existing one, which is already there. But if I want to add a new data source, not a new connection, if I'm going to go through this route, new data source, that means I can put in a new data source without blending, so I can use it interchangeably. So let's just do that with this first. Let's add a connection. I'm going to go to my Microsoft Excel sheet and I'm going to use the TV viewership data. Now it has added this new connection to it. However, it's not reflecting in my data source. So I'm to use anything, any table concurrently in here, I'm supposed to blend or create a relationship. If I swap to this one, you can see when I put in order, it's going to automatically say, do you want to create a relationship or join the two tables together? Okay, but let's just go out of this and clear them off. So I'm going to connect to Microsoft Excel and I'm going to select my file when this dialog box opens, and it's going to show me that I've connected to this worksheet. Unrelated sheets data sample is the name of my file, and it's showing as the name of my data source. Now it contains these two worksheets. I'll refer to them as table within Tableau. Now I need the data in this order details, and I need the data within the travel details table. Now I'm going to drag the first table in here, because if I do not, my sheet here would not recognize it as a valid data source. Now, so after I've done that, I'm going to then see how to use to connect to my second data source. So if I drag the second data source in here, it's going to tell me there's a broken relationship and there is no way I'm going to make the blends in there. There is no common fields for now to connect on. So how do I maneuver them? How do I make it two separate data sources so that when I start building my visualization, I can actually switch between the two data sources? So what I would do is just simply remove this. I don't want to connect, create a relationship for now. I just want the two tables to appear in my worksheet. So what do? I'm still going to do it the normal way of adding a new data source. So I'm going to say new data source and select the same workbook, which is the unrelated sheet, and it's going to give me the two options. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in here. So you can see the second one is showing as no table name, so I'm going to drag the second table in here, which is the travel details, and then I have my two data sources showing in here, so I can switch between the two, select the field I want and switch to the other, select the field I want to build my visualization. I hope that helps.